We're going to bring our fingertips or thumb tips to the dip under the eyebrow right at the bridge of the nose and press firmly underneath the brow bone. This helps to release tension in the eyes, in the head, and clears the sinuses. Take a few deep breaths. And let's bring the fingertips to the space between the eyebrows just above in the forehead and press firmly and release and move along toward the temples, rubbing them out. Let's come to the middle of the forehead and do the same. And bring your fingers to the hairline, pressing firmly and moving along and massaging out the temples once more. Stroking now the forehead, horizontally, outward, pressing firmly, but not too much, into the forehead.